What it do, broski? It's my man, young DaveyMcFlyy. Two wise man back with another unboxing from JD Sports, broski. It's my first time actually hitting on JD Sports, and I hit on the ship to me option. You know what I'm saying? Got this little return slip, and I will not be needing that. But bro, will you check out the black and lucky green Air Jordan 1 box so you already know what's on the inside, man. And if you don't, we have the Air Jordan 1 in the lucky green colorway. You know what I mean? Sporting the black toe color blocking, but we got green on the heel, lucky green on the outsole. Yes sir. We got white on the mid panels, white on the toe. Got some lucky green laces, but they do come with an extra set of black with a black tongue. Black Nike Air on the tongue, surrounded by black as well. That lucky green on the outsole is too clean. And we actually got blessed with a decent cut of leather on this player. Well, my pair actually has a really nice cut of leather, so I'm not mad, I'm not complaining at all, big dog. You already know how we do. We gotta get these joints on foot, but overall, on a 1 out of 10 scale, I'm gonna give these a smooth 8.5. I give them a smooth 8.5, man. And I do feel like they will rock with a lot more outfits than people think. Can't beat the green, and the extra laces come in the box now. That's tough, I actually like that. Moving along, you know what I'm saying? Time to lace these boys up. We gotta take them straight to the foot game. OG Jumpman Boston style. Salute to the OG Jumpman Boston as always. One of the sneakerheads that inspired me to pick up the camera and put it on the tube. I always put it on, but you know what I mean? It was nice to find a community of cats lacing them up, taking them straight to the foot game, straight fire. But all that up out the way, we gotta get these green laces up out the way, broski. Cause I'ma go with the black. Y'all actually let me know which direction you went with the laces and what you think would look best. Me personally, I'm rocking with the black. I didn't even try to lace the green up all the way, and I also feel like some good university gold laces in here would look really good as well. Like a deep yellow, a mustard yellow. Yeah, get a good deep yellow in there. You know what I'm saying? Goldish yellow looking in there. That would probably be super clean. Let me know if you tried the yellow laces or the green. You know what I mean? But I'm going straight in with the black. And I actually like how they come in the box now. It's kind of reminding me of how the Yeezys did it back in the day. And speaking on Yeezy, it's crazy. It's legit crazy. A lot of people was running with that sand and running with the thought of Yeezy jumping over the jump, man. And where Yeezy at now? Where you at now, bro? Like, oh my God. I actually miss 350s. I do. I wouldn't mind a clean new pair, 350s. Dope new colorways and all that. People were getting tired of them. I never did. Anyway, man, we're going with a standard loose lace job. If you didn't know the rules to the lace game, rule number 1: man, woman, dog, cat, frog, female, duck, pig, truck, bro, I do not care. The entity that buys the sneaker, that's who has to say and how they should or should not be laced. If your mom or your pops bought your kicks and they say, hey, lace them up, that's probably what you need to be doing, little bro. You know what I'm saying? If not, hey, if you got your own way, OG, that leads us into rule number 2. Rule number 2 is there is no right or wrong way to lacing your kicks, bro. It ain't like, you know what I'm saying, a Bible that say you sinning for lacing up your kicks any way, right or wrong, cause there is no right or wrong way. You express yourself however you choose to. If you like what I'm doing, go ahead and try it, bro. If you got your own way that make you feel comfortable and confident, go forward. Rule number 3, you don't like me, you don't like my videos, you don't like what you see, get the fuck on, bitch. For real. Remove yourself from the situation, bro. Go ahead, get up out of here now. You know what I'm saying? Don't give me a hard time. I'm here for positivity, lacing them up for the homies. You know what I'm saying? Showing these cats how to get their drip together, get their confidence together. But yep. You see how I'm doing it? Leaving the shoe room to breathe, so when I walk around, you know what I mean, instead of instantly putting a hard crease in the shoe, the tongue gonna lift up. I'm gonna have a little bit of wiggle room, and it's gonna kind of extend the life and the look of the sneakers just a little bit. You know what I mean? And that's how we doing it. We make sure the laces do not touch the ground. That's the key. You get your right shoe size so your foot will be secure and, you know what I'm saying, inside the shoe. You don't have to go one size down. You can end up hurting your foot that way. Get your correct shoe size. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you're comfortable. This is for casual use, not hooping, not running, not fighting, none of that. Just cooling, chilling, date night, you know what I'm saying, kind of activities. You end up with a smooth little look like that, and that look pretty fire to me. That looks super fire to me. Now I'm kind of interested in seeing how they look with the white laces. But yeah, man, I like this shoe a lot. Y'all let me know what they think. I think they look too clean on foot, bro. Way too clean. Jordan brand, come with the rest of the black toe color blocking, and you see we're gonna go ahead and get the black laces up in that jump, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, man, get ready to rock out. Hope y'all enjoy the visuals. We'll get up out of here, broski. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna cut the music up and let it play, and y'all let me know what y'all think about the on foot. Peace out.